There's a new tool called Framepack that just dropped, and it lets you make full AI videos offline on your own computer for free. No limits, no filters, no subscriptions. Basically, you throw in an image and a prompt, and Framepack generates a video that's super smooth, super consistent, and you don't even need a crazy expensive GPU. Just 6 GB of VRAM is enough. I'll show you some cool examples and how to install it so you can use it as much as you want. People are doing crazy stuff with Framepack. Someone animated a friend scene with characters walking around. Others made characters kiss, smile, do thumbs ups. Framepack lets you generate 1 to 2 minute videos locally. That's crazy efficient. Unlike online platforms that cap you at 10 seconds. Alright, there are 3 options for getting Framepack. First option, GitHub. For the installation, just go to the official GitHub repo. Links in the description. You need an NVIDIA GPU, but only 6 GB VRAM. Way lower than older tools that needed 80 GB. One-click installer. Download the 7-zip file. Extract it. Open the file. Run run.bat. Boom, it downloads the models. It is about 30 GB in size. After that, a local interface pops up, fully offline. Just click it, and you're ready to go. Next day, just double-click run.bat again. Easy. Want faster generation? You can install one of these tools. Xformers gives you a slight boost. Flash Attention, best balance of speed and quality. Sage Attention, fastest, but sacrifices some quality. Now, let's install Flash Attention to make Framepack even faster. Open the Framepack folder. Go to the System and Python folders. This is where Python and all the other packages are stored. At the top, type cmd in the address bar to open a terminal. First, check your Python version. Type python.exe-dash version. You should see Python 3.10. Good. That's exactly what we need. Now check if PyTorch is installed. Type python.exe-m piplist. Look for Torch. It should say version 2.60 and CUDA version 12.60. Perfect. Next step, go to the Flash Attention download site. Links in the description. Download the .whl file that matches Python 3.10, Torch 2.6, and CUDA 12.6. Once downloaded, right-click the file and select Copy as path. Go back to the terminal. Type python.exe-m pip install, then space, and paste what you just copied. Hit Enter. Wait a few seconds. If it says successfully installed, you're done. Now, when you run run.bat, Flash Attention will be active, and your video generations will be way faster. Now, for the second option, you can use the Pinocchio app. Pinocchio is basically a one-click installer for tons of AI tools, and Framepack is already on their list. You just install Pinocchio, search for Framepack inside, and click install. That's it. No terminal commands, no setup headaches. Now the third and final option, comfy UI integration. There's an early version of Framepack that works inside it. It's still a work in progress, but it's a great option if you want everything inside one interface. Setting up your first generation, drag and drop an image into the upload box. This will be the first frame of your animation. Now, in the prompt box, describe the motion you want, short but specific. If you want faster generation, make sure T-Cache is on. It'll make everything faster, but yeah, hands and fingers might get a little blurry. If you care about hand details, turn T-Cache off. Seed. Leave it at -1 if you want randomized results. If you want repeatable results, leave it like that. Video length. You can make videos up to 2 minutes long. Just slide the bar to choose how long you want it. Steps. More steps equals better quality, but slower. Default is 25 steps. A great balance. If you want faster results, even 15 steps still look really good. CFG scale. This controls how closely the model follows your prompt. Default is 10, usually the best. GPU memory. Preserve. If you get memory errors because of low VRAM, crank up this setting. Otherwise, keep it low for faster generation. Once you set everything up, click Start Generation. And that's it. Go forth. Animate your dreams. Or make a girl dance for 2 minutes straight.